Imagine yourself in this Dodge 2017 Journey SE. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, audio jack input for mobile devices, CD player, radio data system, radio, 4.3, remote USB port, air conditioning and front dual-zone AC. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.